Good morning, all. Our target viewers, audience around the world. We are here today on Executive Diary, documentary of Nkporo community in Ohafia local government area of the Abia State. With the concept and approval of Hope Alive Initiatives Foundation, we are here to carry out this documentary to tell the world about Nkporo community, where it is located, whom they are, and how the government, good individuals, organizations, and other foundations can come to the aid of this community. Join us as we go ahead in this documentary. I remain Akoma with Emmanuel, the anchor and presenter. Here I have a representative of the Hope Alive Initiative.
Good day, everyone. I am Ukwa, Hope Alive representative in Nigeria and Abia State, Nkporo community. We are here to introduce Hope Alive to Nkporo community, to let them know that Hope Alive is still existing, and to know their problems and how to tackle it.
In a little introduction of this community, where it's located, the Nkporo community. Here we are standing is called Abreba in Ohafia local community area. And the Ohafia local community area is made up of Abreba, Ohafia, and Nkporo. From looking at this area point of our view, this is Abreba. And all this area, looking left one side is Ohafia, the headquarters of the local government. Now looking towards this road, we are going to go down to meet the people at the hinterland of Nkporo. And we are going to work precisely at Ukwa, the community of Honorable High Chief Dr. Kalu Udendukwe, the president of Hope Alive, whom on his consent we are here today. Thank you and join us. We have a brief stop now on the road to Nkporo. Precisely, we are going to Nkporo. If you can see with us, this place is a lonely place. The place leading us to the hinterland, where these people are settled, and they face a lot of challenges because of where they are situated. Here, they lack major roads that connects them to other communities and other states. They have a closer boundary with Ebonyi State of Nguzo, Afikpo, and other ranks of Ebonyi State. Traveling here to Ukwa, the capital of Abia State, is a faraway journey that takes hours. And getting in touch with other parts of the states like Ohafia, Ukwa, and other places to get assistance of any sort, like the medical assistance, they have to take it hours. Here we are. These people are really locals who have many challenges facing them. And we're here today with the support of Hope Alive in a way of bringing a succor to the people of Nkporo community, especially on their road infrastructure, health, and other ones. Join us as we continue in this documentary. Right away, we are at Etitiama Nkporo, the first community in Nkporo community, heading to Ukwa Nkporo in Nkporo community, Ezaja Owo Kingdom. Looking at this side, we are at Titiama. Moving forward to this side, we are heading to Ukwa community, the community of Hope Alive President, Honorable Dr. Chief Kaluden Dukwe, the President of Hope Alive, who have invited us today for this executive diary, introducing this community to the entire society, to the larger world. Here they are predominantly known as great farmers, and they produce a lot of food that the people of Abia State and the neighborhoods consume. We are come to observe facts, what and what that takes place in this community. Join us as we move down to Nkporo. Thank you. Okay, we are happy to announce to you that we have arrived the Ukwa community. I am standing here at the boundary of Ukwa and the Ukwa community in Nkporo Ohafia local government area. As we have taken time to travel all the way from Abreba to here. Traveling with us, we observe that these people are living, settled in a distant area out of Ohafia, Abreba, and the other parts of the state. Really, we are at their Afiori market, where the villagers converge to transact their businesses, to sell their produces and other things. At this market, we'll be interviewing some of the villagers to know more about this community. We introduce one after the other. Some of the people who are doing business in this market, village market, you can see for yourself that this community need assistance in terms of their market. Can we continue with some of interviewers with us? Thank you. Okay, we are here to meet one of the villagers who carry out his business in this area. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. You're highly welcome.
Thank you. Can we know you more better? Who are you?
My name is Nkporo.
Okay. You are from this Nkporo?
I'm from Ukwa, in this village, this market square here.
Okay.
But this market square belongs to 3 communities.
Okay.
Abaja, Ukwa, and Ukwa.
Okay.
In Nkporo, yes, in Dabo.
Okay.
So what we need in this market, this is a very developed market that everyone that comes here in only a day that sells and buys. What we need here is to rebuild this very place, to put this place in standard.
Okay.
So that other people can come. Sometimes you can build a lock-up store and other structures here. And this road should be tarred, put it in order, because this road leads to Ebonyi State. Lead down to Ebonyi State.
Okay.
So if this road is through, you will see people from Ebonyi State coming down to this market to buy, and for us to buy too. But due to the road is bad, there is no way we can link through. So that is why we are begging you to help us to develop this very area.
What and what do your people produce and sell at this Afiori market?
Okay, we do produce yam, gari, oil. We produce many things. We sell ugu, okra, and other vegetable items.
Okay.
That people needs.
And which days do this market take place?
Only a day, every 4 days, only.
Okay.
And today is
what you people need assistance is for the people as Hope Alive give us consent to come and carry out this documentary so that he can show the world about the Nkporo community, how they can come to your aid to put the market in order, your road, your stream, your hospitals and other things.
Yes.
Okay.
We need good thing. We need good hospital.
Okay.
Good market, good road for us to live a life.
Okay. What's your name once again?
My name is Emeka Onoha. I'm an indigenous of Nkporo.
Okay. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure.
Yeah.
We have seen for ourselves that this market needs government intervention, individuals interventions, and the other people. Hope Alive sent us to you people to see where you people need intervention from world organizations and other communities aside from here, from cool-spirited individuals. Can you tell us later about the market and what people pass through here? What do you need really from them?
What we need the government to do for us is to come to our aid, to repair the shores, because during rainy season, it used to be difficult for us to stay here. Look at this place. You know, this place is very, very bad. Then the road. Most of the things we do sell, we do go to Oso market to buy it. The transportation is very poor. Sometimes we do trek from here to Oso. to buy what we do sell. So we need help, like the road and some lock-up stores, not all these empty open stores. That's what we need the government to do for us.
Okay. Is there only thing you need government to do for what of light,
We
water, and other facilities?
Yes, light. For many years now, we've not experienced NEPA. Even last time, some people, one of our brother here gave money, but they didn't do the people here didn't do the money. They didn't do the this thing. Yes, Dr. Kalu Denduko, he gave money. Then some people they ate the money, not they ate the money. They didn't do the work. So we need light. We need good transportation, good road, and also good water, purified water, and the market.
Okay.
My name is Ukwa.
Okay. A native of where?
A native of Abaha Autonomous Community here
In Nkporo.
in Nkporo.
Okay. Please, we are here today with the concept of Hope Alive to find out the challenges these people are passing through.
Okay. The challenges we are passing here, first of all, this road. We want this road to be constructed to the very next state. So this road is our problem. Because if say this road is okay, you will be seeing many people carrying their bucket coming here. Even like tomorrow we go be bucket day. You know go see people who come here. Okay. Before people come from Meta, people come from Item, people come from many places to come and trade with us. But now there's no road. The road is our problem. Even light, we know they see light. For the past 5 years now, we never see light. Okay. So this road is the most important thing where we need. Water safe comes second. We have a stream where they do, but if you give us another water from ground, still good. So we need a very big help. This market, see, knows how the market be. We want this market to be constructed and put it in order so that people will come here and see it that is fine. We have, you see, it's supposed to be lock-up shops, but when an individual build all this one, all these shops.
Right away at the palace of the Uzogo.
Incoming voice call from 0806
for a welcome and they leading us to the area, especially the health center. We have come to the man for the day. Follow us as we go. We are now at the house of the Ezogo of Ukwa Nkporo, Ezogo Mba Nkuma. Yeah. He's the traditional head of this area, and we can't do this documentary and executive diary without calling on him for his welcome, because he's the father of this area. At this juncture, we would like Ezogo to welcome his guests.
Yeah, thank you. You are all welcome. First and foremost, I have to ask where people come from. Is it from Ohafia, from Omahia, from Abuja? Thank you.
Okay. The people we are seeing here, first of all, we have a representative of Hope Alive Initiative, whom the president of the Hope Alive is from this community, in the person of Honorable High Chief Dr. Kalu Dendupe, have sent us to come and carry out this documentary of his community. And standing here before you is Ugo A Digital Concepts, the anchor and presenter of the documentary. Okay. And we came all the way from Umahia for this work.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Any other question? Or do I proceed?
Here we are today. We have come to have a documentary of your community to know what is the challenges people are facing, starting from road, water, hospital, other health facilities, market, and other things alike.
Okay, thank you. You're welcome. We have so many challenges here in our community. Starting from the first one is road. Road, it has been a long time we have been suffering because of this road. From Osada down to this place called Ukwa, or beyond a bit, there's no road. And it will be to our own happiest time if this road can be tarred through you people now. Because over years, it has been awarded the first time, they have been awarded the second time, and third time, nothing has been done. If you go up to this place called Ijima, you will see some bad tractors. These are those people called Ditum. They came here some years ago to do this road, but to no avail. Nothing happened at that very time. And up to today, this road is still as it was. Nothing has been done. So our utmost challenge is this road. Because if this road is tarred, many people will be coming in here from Ebonyi State, even beyond Ebonyi State. And the things will be easy, cheap in this community. Because as it is now, everything is very hard. No food, no other things to help the people.
Okay.
So road, we would like people to help us for this road to go through. Thank you.
If I can ask you again, from here at Nkporo, how do people get your medical assistance or facilities? Where do people attend hospitals? Do you have any hospital within this area?
We have but little ones. For instance, we have our own hospital here, the health center, it's just health center. It was built some years ago, and it has been managed over years. And particularly, it started from health center, primary health center, now was took over by our own Honorable Kalu Ukwa, who managed this health center for years past. But unfortunately, it fell down again. Now we have started again through the health board from Ohafia to give a little help in this our health center. But now, the midwife is there now, but nothing has been done fully in that place. We need assistance from the government. Even if this Hope Alive can do it, we will be grateful. Because now we are having much challenges. Even if we have been passing messages every day for people to attend that health center so that it will continue to live. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Is there what and what do you need Hope Alive initiative to come to you people?
First, now we have gotten the midwife. We need some nurses that will assist her there. We need medicines.
Medical doctors.
We need them. So that place will be...
Equipments.
And equipments.
Okay. And if you need a good working hospital, a facilitated one, a very standard hospital in Nkporo.
Yes, we need it. Even this one can be converted to a very big hospital, because if you go there, we will be going to that place. If you go there, you will see that this hospital is almost okay. This health center. But it needs some addition to make it a very big hospital.
Okay.
Which we want.
Okay.
If you can do that through this Hope Life initiative, or Hope Alive, I mean.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time.
Yes.
I appreciate.
Yeah.
My name is Ago Obaoji. I am one of the community leaders of Ukwa community in Nkporo. I reside at home.
Okay. We are here today to carry out a documentary to know some of the challenges facing this community. Can you highlight some of them to us?
One of the major challenges we are facing is health care. We have factors militating against our health. One, in our community, we don't have a resident doctor. Major emergencies are being carried out outside. And before going to that area, some may die on their way. That is why we need a resident doctor that will help to manage some of these emergencies that may occur at a given time. Two, we also want to have health center facility so that the two will be going alongside each other. Because in Nigeria, or particularly in Abia State, we need health center where children, pregnant women will be taken good care of. It is called primary health care, so that anything that they cannot handle, they can move such cases to that doctor that will take care of the hospital when established. Another thing is we don't have access road. You may post a doctor here because of lack of access road. The doctor may not be here to do his functions. No road. The reason why you are here today freely is because we are still in the dry season. Anytime the rain starts, you cannot stay here. Even water can still flood will not allow you to stay here and do the documentation. That is one of the major factors we are having. Another one is flood is disturbing us too much. Flooding. Last 3 years ago, we experienced unprecedented flooding. Even the Eze, whose house we are, just move away from this place so that you may not be washed away by flood. The flood covered up to this length, this level of the house, destroying properties, food, and other things. So we need to do something so that the flooding may cease from reoccurring in time to come. If there is any way the people in charge can help us either to drill the sand or do things that will help the flood to stop, because the channels are too small. If the channels can be widened up, immediately the flood came, it will still go freely without destroying lives or properties. We don't have market. We only have market here in every 4 days. And because of bad roads, people are not carrying their farm produce to the market. Others insisted on going outside. But if there is an access road, functional market, people will be here. Those at home will benefit. Even there are people staying outside because of they don't have something doing, because of bad road, because no market. Even if we produce our food farm produce, you cannot sell in larger quantity. It is only people around there that will buy. But if there is road, and if there is very good road network, good market, people will be coming from far and wide, and people will be benefiting from us. We believe that the initiative will help us a lot and bring these things closer to the doorsteps of our Ukwa community. Then, water. We have water, but not every time, because of expensive fuel or gas used to bring the water to, at a point, sterilize and give to the community. It is not coming every day. Even people are living near to that hospital. No water. Unless you engage those tankers to bring water. We need water, drinkable water, water that can be affordable both to the health center and the residents of Ukwa Nkporo. So if there is a way they will improve the water supply, making it accessible to everybody in this community, we will like it so much. Light is in the mortuary for years. We don't have light. Even this our man, Onu, had made things to be easier for the entire community of Nkporo, not Ukwa alone. He spent a huge sum of money to ensure that the light is restored. But I cannot say the reason why it is not. We need light. There's nothing you can do now without light. Even in the hospital, we need light. We need light everywhere. Artisans need light.
We need light so that we can be using it to store our vaccine in the fridge.
And what of other challenges you are facing in this hospital?
We don't have good water here. We don't have water. There is no water.
How do you process water in this area?
By stream. I used to go
People
to stream.
go to stream to fetch.
Yes.
This is a serious matter. We are at this juncture calling on international community to come to our aid, running a hospital, a clinic without water, without light, without health facilities. Here we can see for ourselves that the basic facilities needed for women are not available here. That these things are outdated, and this hospital buildings is already that letting. The thing is going gradually, whereby it's not healthy for patients, newborn babies to stay. Looking at all these areas, you can see for yourself that these areas, they need standard and the modern equipments. There's no light in this room. In the night, the patients will stay in darkness, even the newborn baby, pregnant women, which is so bad to the patients. At this area, you can see for ourselves that this area need attention. The wall is already healing. This is not healthy at all. Wow. Please, 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 please. If these ones are not functioning, you can see all the wall is gradually going. Here is the laboratory of this clinic or the hospital, whereby you can see that all these things is not functioning. All of things are adapted. See the sink for yourselves. The thing have rotten. Now see the laboratory is empty room. There's nothing happening here. The midwife made us to know that this is the maternity ward for women, and it's very dirty, very untidy. We can see that things need to see. Their lights is already falling off. There's no water. Patients in this room cannot have access to water. There's nothing. People here cannot have water, no light. All these things is now working again. There's no light, there's no water. These are toilets, already adapted. It's unused. Patients cannot use these toilets because there's no water, there's no light. All these areas, same thing. Are not working again.
Yeah.
They need the modern ones, the fashionable ones. As the nurse in charge informed us that this is Chief Medical Doctor's room, We can see for ourselves that everything here is down. The bed, the fitments, none of them is working again. No light in this room. All these things is not functioning again. Nobody can be allowed to reside here because the building might collapse at any point.
And they don't have lights here. It needs to be electrified. If it is solar, if the solar that was mounted here is not working, so they need another one. There is no water. You can see the GP tank is there empty, no water inside. So they need water, they need lights, they need good access road.
This very structure was the very structure sponsored by the World Bank. The community has something doing. When it was built, this was the first facility that people were using until something fell apart. It was wildfire that destroyed all these rooms, as you can see. Wildfire. Before the community came to rescue, it has gone to this extent. That is why it was not inhabited. When this hospital was functioning, we have a doctor, resident doctor here. There were many drugs here. Lab technician was also here. Everybody enjoy using this hospital. Even our brother usually gave us free medical scheme. The entire community of Nkporo came here. Even surgery, eye surgery, hernia, and others. We've been benefiting from this hospital until these things came to a stop. Chief Dr. Ukwa, of Ukwa, has been the one sponsoring this project. If there was an emergency, we need to go to Nhofia Ebreba. We want to use this medium to invite them to come to our rescue. We need a functional hospital, a place where people can come and receive adequate treatment so that all these types of disease and sickness that ravaging the community will be a thing of the past.
My name is Ngozi Anoha. I'm a nurse. I work in this hospital when the hospital was functioning some years ago.
My name is Carlo Ude. I am from Nkporo. This hospital has been working when it was built, and along the line it stopped working due to some challenges. We are worried. Thank God it has come back to life, and we have a lot of challenges that we see them facing here. As you can see, the place is bushy. It needs to be cleared.
Okay, my name is Uchechi Moses Onoha Egwong. We are facing a lot of challenges here. More of in the aspect of this my office here, there is no eye equipment, which we really need eye equipment here. Just like eye testers, eye supplement, eye drops for the villagers in case if they are here. And we really need glasses also, so that if any of them need any glasses, we can also give them glasses. And also for the patients that have glaucoma and the cataracts, if it's something urgent, we can also ask them to go to other health facility to take care of it. And when we talk about the water issue here, we don't have any water here, so we need to use buckets on our head to go and fetch water from the stream, which we really need water here. And another one is light. There's no light here because some of the times when the patients come here in the night, there is no light to take care of them, so we have to lock up the gate, and there is no security also. Don't have security. We really need security within this site in order to be taken care of. You know, this place is a little bit inside.
At this moment, we are at the Ubaja, Nkporo. We are at the remarkable site of Ukwa, Nkporo. This tower is a big symbol of this community. And we're happy to announce that the person that facilitated this tower is no other person than Honorable High Chief Dr. Kaluden Dukwe, the president of Hope Alive Initiative, who have brought us down to Nkporo today for this wonderful documentary and the executive diary of his community, Ukwa Nkporo, in Ohafia local government area of Abia State. This tower was launched or commissioned on December 29, 2024 under the age grade Inyuma age grade, and the Honorable High Chief Dr. Kaluden Dukwe was the one who facilitated the project for the age grade. And we are here to carry out a documentary on the river that supplied this community water. And we look to see the challenges this river poses on them as the only source of water supply to the community. Join us as we move down to the river to observe for ourselves and view our target audience all over the whole world on the river. Thank you. At this moment, we are at the last point of our today documentary stroke diary that we are carrying out at Ukwa Nkporo. We are the river that supplies water, the only source of water supply to this community. We are here now to check out what affecting this community based on water supply. This river for years have served the community as the only source of water supply, which we can see from this river, a sumo and a pipe drain in this river that circulates water to different parts of Nkporo community, ably sponsored by Honorable Dr. Chief Kaluden Dukwe, the president of Hope Alive. And we meet the community leaders, the Zogo and other community members to tell us how they feel about them having only this river as the source of their water supply. Well, at this moment, we'll call upon the community leader to give us an insight of his view over the condition.
Okay, my name is Ago Abaoj, community leader of Ukwa Nkporo Autonomous Community. As you can see around, we have a living stream given to us by our God Almighty. This stream had been a source of water supply to every home. There we bath, we wash our clothes, we use it for many other items. And in recent days, we experienced unprecedented flood that ravaged the entire community, starting from Ukwa, down to Nkporo, and down to Abacha communities. This one has never happened before. It has never happened on July 14th and 15th of 2022, the type of flood we experienced was unprecedented. It gutted away properties worth millions of naira. Even as you can see this bridge, the flood covered the whole bridge. Nobody can come over to Ukwa, neither anybody to Ukwa community. Buildings were destroyed, properties were carted away. So we are appealing to individual and spirited organizations to come to our aid. One, by dredging this stream, and two, to straighten the curves. It has numerous curves from here down to this other end, from this other end to the other end. If it will be possible for the government or an organization, the NGO, to come and straighten those curves and dredge this river, the problem of flooding will be a thing of the past. We are not going to experience such disaster any longer, because since the beginning of Nkporo, this thing has never happened before. So we are appealing to Hope Alive Initiative and other organizations to come to our aid so that this community will not relocate to another area because of flooding. Thank you, sir.
I, Ezogo Mba Nkuma of Ukwa Community, Nkporo, is standing hereby to tell you about this our river. This river has been here for years upon years before our ancestors came to this place. And this river, for the years we have been living here, has not happened what we saw in 2022. 14th July and 15th August. In the olden days, it only occurred 7 years. But this time around, it happened 3 years now. Therefore, we need our Hope Alive Initiative to come to our aid. Even other individuals that can afford to help us drainage this river so that it will be straight, so that all these nearby villages may not be engulfed by this river. It destroyed so many things in this our community. Therefore, we need help from individuals who can afford to help this community and other ones behind. Thank you.
I'm still Ukwa Jen, the representative of Hope Alive nationwide. I thank everybody that speak on behalf of Hope Alive and the Nkporo community. We have heard your reports and your needs. So as we are going to table everything to Hope Alive. We'll get back to you when due. So what we want people to do for us is to do your own parts. Take care of the hospital, clean the environment, do the necessary thing that you're supposed to do as a community. We, the Hope Alive, will come in. We come in good faith. So thank you for everything you have said. We have heard you because all of you have said the same thing. Your needs, what we're supposed to do for you. I pray to God that we are going to do it in due time. God bless you all. Thank you.
At this moment, I have to appreciate immensely our audience who have been supportive from the beginning of this executive diary, documentary of Nkporo. And most especially appreciate the sponsor of this event, Honorable Dr. High Chief Ukwa, who have sent us for this assignment at Nkporo today. The Nkporo people have highlighted the major challenges facing them, ranging from bad road network to the nearer communities and states. Like few minutes from here is to Ebonyi State, and moving out to Hafia, Abreba, and other places. They are really far away located in the state. which they are somehow distant off from the community and the state at large. And the people have highlighted us about the health challenges. They really need assistance in health factors, in health facilities. Their hospitals need to put in order. The already existing clinic, medical clinic here is not functioning at all. They have need for a good pipeline water. They have a need for a good water system in the locality. Also, there are many other things affecting the community, like electricity, insecurity, and other factors that they have called upon the good-spirited individuals within and outside, local and in diaspora, to come to their end today. We, on behalf of the media and as the presenter and anchor of today's event, will bring your message forward to Hope Alive Initiative and to the international community concerning what people will pass through, and we believe that will come to the end. We thank you once again. Thank you and thank you. We appreciate. Stay tuned.